Hello guys, I am going to teach you how to make a walk animation. First, play, then find yourself, it's your username in workspace, then click this icon right here. Then click the animate and CT, CTRL C to copy it, then stop, Shift 5, then go and press CTRL-V to paste it. Then put it on starter character scripts. I am going to use a then put a rig builder. Then click R6 if your game is R6 and click R15 if your game is R15 and my avatar. Then animate it. Go to animator editor. Then animate this. And this is going to be an easy animation, so I'm just gonna skip this for you guys. And okay, and here is my animation. Then click this tree icon, then publish to Roblox, then save, then copy the ID, then put it on animate. Click the local script, animate, then change walk, then change the walk ID animation to properties, then in animation ID put your animation ID, then play. Oh no, so I think this is run, so if you this put run animation here, then animate, then your run animation here. There. So play it again. Then this is your walk animation. So if the walk animation is not working, I think, but if you want to put the run animation, just put the run animation or run animation. So bye guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you all next time. Leave a like and subscribe to this leave a like on this video and subscribe, and check the next video to learn more about Roblox Studio. Goodbye guys. Peace.